Hey guys, welcome to a new video of CSAT with Jason. So in this video we'll be talking about the topic work and time. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share and support. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, you can join it using the link that I'll be providing in the description box. So let us move on with the video. So when it comes to work and time, I'll be explaining to you the details and concept using different examples. So before moving on, let us study two different approaches on how to solve the problem. So you can use any of these approaches. So let us see approach 1. So let us take an example. A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 15 days. Find the number of days to complete the work if A and B work together. So here the first approach is assuming, so you have to assume the total work as W. Okay, let us assume the total work is W. So A can do the work in 10 days. So in 10 days, A will complete the work, which is W. That means in one day, A will do W by 10 work, right? Because you have to take this 10 to this side. That means in 10 days, A will complete the work, and in one day, A will do W by 10 work. Similarly, B will complete the work in 15 days. So in one day, B can do W by 15 work. So A and B together in one day can do W by 10 plus W by 15 work. So we can take 30 as the LCM. So we'll get 3W by 30 plus 2W by 30. So we will get 5W by 30, or this is equal to W by 6. That means A and B together in one day will do W by 6 work. So in 6 days they will do W by 6 into 6, which is W. So it will take 6 days for them to complete the work. So this is the first approach. In the first approach, you have to take the total work as W, and then you need to solve the problem. And when it comes to approach 2, this is known as the LCM method. So first thing, we are taking the same question. Here what you need to do is, firstly you need to take the LCM of 10 and 15. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Right, here you need to assume total work is equal to 30. We'll assume that LCM of 10 and 15 is the total work. So if total work is 30, that means A in 10 days will do 30 work, because total work is 30. That means A in one day will do 30 by 10 work, right? Which is equal to 3. So in one day A can do 3 work. Similarly, B in 15 days will do 30 work, right? That means B in one day will do 30 by 15, which is equal to 2 work. So A and B together in one day can do 3 plus 2, because A do 3 and B do 2 work. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 work. So we know that total work is 30. So how many days A and B together will take? It will be 30 total work divided by work done in one day, that is 5. This is equal to 6. So you will get 6 days. So in both approaches you are getting the same answer. So you can use either of the approaches. Okay, so either you can assume that total work is W, or you can assume total work is 30. That is the LCM of 15 and 10. So now let us do some questions from UPSC and also some practice questions. So this is a question from 2021 UPSC. A man completes 7 by 8 of a job in 21 days. How many more days will it take to him to finish the job if quantum of the work is further increased by 50%? Okay, so it says that the man in 21 days will do 7 by 8 of the work. That is 7 by 8 work he will do in 21 days. So in one day, the man will do 7 by 8 into 21 work. That is, you can cancel 7. You will get W by 8 into 3 is 24. So W by 24 work he will do in one day. So how many more days will it take him to finish the job if quantum of the work is increased by 50%? So initially we assumed that total work is equal to W, but now the work is increased by 50%. That means now the work is 1.5 W, right? 1.5 W. So 1.5 W is like 3 by 2 W. So now the total work is 3 by 2 W. So we need to find number of days for the man to complete the job. Okay. So in one day he is doing W by 24 work and total work is 3 by 2 W. So 3 by 2 W, which is total work, divided by work done in one day. So this is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 24, or 3 by 2 into 24 by 1. So this is equal to 36. So total he will take 36 days to complete 1.5 work. But here the question is, how many more days will it take? So he already worked for 21 days, right? So it will take 36 minus 21, which is 15. So 15 more days will it will take for him to complete the job. So answer is D, 15. So let us look into another question. So this is from UPSC 2020. A person X can complete 20% of the work in 8 days, and another person Y can complete 25% of the same work in 6 days. If they work together, in how many days will 40% of the work be completed? So here it says that person X in 8 days will complete 20% of work. So let us assume work is equal to W. So 20% of W is equal to 20 by 100 into W. So we will get W by 5. So the same person X in 8 days he will do W by 5 work. So in one day he can do W by 5 into 8, which is equal to W by 40 work. Now when it comes to person Y in 6 days will do 25% of the work. That is equal to 25 by 100 into W. So you will get W by 4. That is person Y in 6 days will do W by 4 work. So person Y in one day will do W by 4 into 6, which is equal to W by 24 work. Okay. Now person X and Y together in one day will do W by 40, that is this, plus W by 24. So here you can take the LCM as 120. So you will get 3W by 120 plus 5W by 120. So you will get 8W by 120. So 120 divided by 8 is 845. So you will get here, if you cancel, you will get W by 50. So X and Y together will do W by 15 work in one day. So here we need to find out in how many days will 40% of the work is completed. So 40% of work means 40% of W. That is 40 by 100 into W. So if you cancel, you will get 2W by 5. So we need to find out in how many days X and Y together will complete 2W by 5 work. So that is total work 2W by 5 divided by work done in one day, which is W by 15. So you will get 2W by 5 into 15 by W. So this will get cancelled. So you will get 6 days. So answer is option A, 6. Let us now take a practice question. A can do a particular work in 12 days. B can do the same work in 15 days and C can complete the same work in 20 days. A and B started the work together and they worked for 2 days. Then C replaced A and completed the work. Find the total days taken to complete the work. So here let us do the second approach. We'll find the LCM and we'll do it in the LCM method. Okay, so we need to find the LCM of 12, 15 and 20. So 2 will become 6, 15, 10. Again I am taking 2. So it will become 3, 5 and 5. Now sorry 3, 15 and 5. Now I am taking 5, so it will become 3, 3 and 1. Again I am taking 3, so it will become 1, 1, 1. So the LCM here is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So 4, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 3 is 60. So we got LCM here is 60. So we will assume that total work is equal to 60. We know that A in 12 days will complete the work, which is 60 work. So A in 1 day will do 60 by 12, which is equal to 5 work. Similarly, B in 15 days will complete the work, that is 60. So B in 1 day will do 60 by 15, which is equal to 4 work. Now C will complete the work in 20 days. So C in 20 days will do 60 work. So C in 1 day will do 60 by 20, which is equal to 3 work. Now the question says that A and B started the work together. So A and B together in 1 day will do, A will do 5 and B will do 4. So together they will do 9 work in 1 day. Okay. So here they did the work for 2 days. So in 2 days they will complete 18 work. We have total 60 work. So in 2 days 18 work is completed. That means balance 42 work is there. So for that, doing that 42 work, C replaced A. So now C and B are working together, right? So B will do 4 work in 1 day and C will do 3 work in 1 day. So B and C together in 1 day will do 4 plus 3, 7 work. So we have 42 work remaining. So 42 divided by 7, it will take 6 more days to complete the work. So initially A and B together took 2 days. And now B and C together took 6 days. So total 8 days is required to complete the work. So the option B is the right answer. So now let us see another question. So this is a question regarding pipes and filling of a tank. So this is also, the concept here is also similar to what we have learned so far. So let us read the question here. Pipe A can fill the tank in 6 hours. Pipe B can fill the tank in 4 hours. Pipe C is an outflow pipe and it can empty the tank in 12 hours. If all these pipes are open together, then how many hours will it take to fill the tank? So if our tank is like this, there are 3 pipes. So let us assume that this is pipe A and this is pipe B. So from A and B, the water is coming like this and it is filling the tank. But pipe C is an outflow pipe. So an outflow pipe means that the water is moving out of the pipe. So the pipe C will be like this, and whatever the water is being filled by A and B, it is being removed by C. Okay, so this is what the question says. So now let us do this question in a second approach. We can take the LCM of 6, 4 and 12. So if we take 6, 4 and 12, 2, 3, 2, 6, 5, take 3, 1, 1, 2, sorry 1, 2, 2, if I take 2, it will become 1, 1, 1. So here the LCM is equal to 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12. So LCM is equal to 12. So here let us assume that the volume, the total volume of tank is, since LCM is 12, we'll take volume of tank is 12 liter. We'll assume like that. Okay. So pipe A in 6 hours can fill the tank. That means in 6 hours it can fill 12 liters. That means in 1 hour it can fill 12 by 6 is equal to 2 liter. Okay. Pipe B will fill the tank in 4 hours. That is in 4 hours it can fill 12 liters. That means in 1 hour pipe B can fill 12 by 4 is equal to 3 liter. So pipe A and B together can fill 2 plus 3, 5 liters in 1 hour. And pipe C is an outflow pipe and it can empty the tank in 12 hours. So in 12 hours it can empty 12 liters. That means in 1 hour it will empty 12 by 12 is equal to 1 liter. That means in 1 hour A and B together fills 5 liter, and in 1 hour pipe C will remove 1 liter. So in total 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 liters are filled in 1 hour. We know that our tank is total 12 liters. So in order to fill 12 liters, it will take 12 divided by 4, which is equal to 3 hours. So our option A is the right answer. So let us see another question. 3 women can do a work in 2 days. 4 men can do the same work in 6 days. Then in how many days will 8 men and 4 women complete the work? So here it is given that 3 women in 2 days will complete a work. That means 1 woman in 2 days will complete, you need to take this 3 here, W by 3 work. That means 1 woman in 1 day, then you need to take 2 also here. You will get 1 woman in 1 day will do W by 2 into 3. It is equal to W by 6 work. Similarly, 4 men in 6 days will complete the work. That means 1 man in 1 day, you need to take 4 and 6 here, will do W by 6 into 4, which is equal to W by 24 work. Now we need to see how many days will 8 men and 4 women complete the work. Okay, complete twice the work. Now 8 men in 1 day can do how many work? 1 man in 1 day do W by 24. So 8 men in 1 day will do W by 24 into 8, which is equal to W by 3 work. Similarly, 4 women in 1 day can do W by 6 into 4, which is equal to, if you cancel with 2, you will get 2W by 3. So 8 men plus 4 women in 1 day will do W by 3 plus 2W by 3, which is equal to 3W by 3, which is equal to W. So 8 men and 4 women in 1 day will complete the work. We need to see how many days it will take to complete twice the work. That means we need to double it. So answer is 2 days. So option B is the right answer. So let us do another question. This is the final question. So this is from UPSC 2022. 24 men and 12 women can do a piece of work in 30 days. So it is given that 24 men along with 12 women can do a work in 30 days. In how many days can 12 men and 24 women do the same piece of work? That is 12 men and 24 women will do the work. Now here we have total 24 plus 12, 36 persons are there, out of which 24 are male and 12 are women. Similarly, here also there are total 36 people, but here the number of men is less and number of women is more. Here the thing is that in the question it hasn't been given anything about the efficiency. Sometimes men may be more efficient than women, sometimes women will be more efficient than men. Here it hasn't been given anything like that. So we cannot draw any conclusion from here, because if men was more efficient than women, the condition in which you have more number of men, then you will be able to do the work in lesser number of days, because men is more efficient. So if men was more efficient, this condition has more number of men. Here 24 men is there, here only 12 men is there. So in this condition, you can do the work fast. Similarly, if it is given in the question that women are more efficient than men, then the condition in which more women is there. Here in this condition you have 24 women, here you have only 12 women. That means if women were more efficient than men, this condition will take lesser amount of time. And if the question says that men and women are equally efficient, then here it doesn't matter what gender is, right? Because both are equally efficient. So we just need to look into the total number of people. So here 36 people is there, here also there are total 36 people. So it will take 30 days here also if both men and women were equally efficient. So here it hasn't been mentioned anything about efficiency. So the answer is option D. Data is actually inadequate. Okay. So guys, thank you so much. If you like the video, please do subscribe, share and support. And I'll be coming on with a new video very soon. Thank you.